Here he comes.
You feel refreshed? Hayden, what are you doing?
Powder.
What, champ?
Powder, what's this? What's this powder? Pixie, what's that? Powder, where did you get it?
Oh, where'd it go?
Right here.
Where'd it
See
go?
it? Right here.
Brody's like, where?
Stepping on
Where?
it. Boys, right here. Right here.
What? I don't understand. What is it? What are we looking at? I don't get it.
Lordy.
I don't get it. Joey's looking all over like, what? What was it? What was
Grasshopper.
it? They're all looking like, what? What? I don't get it. I'm the guy. Where'd it go, Brody? Hayden is a happy girl. It's like, oh, yes.
Well, Pitchy dumped the water bucket.
Oh, so it's
and
wet
then had to roll in it. So
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a stream right there. It's right here. Joey! Joey!
What?
Right here.
Joey, come.
Right here. Joey, come. Come here, Joey. Right here.
Brody's like, what? Where? Where?
Where is it? Right here, Joey. Right here, Joey. You sees it? You sees it? Right here, Joey. You see it? They keep stuffing.
They don't understand.
Brady? No, Brady. Brady.
Shango, you gonna come outside?
He's been playing with I don't remember that.
She's hanging out in the door. You frustrated now, Brody? Where did it go? Boys, come on.
Watch out.
What are you doing, Bert? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh, hello. What do you think you're doing? Come on. Hi, Birdie Bert. Bert.
That's Bert.
Yeah. Birdie Bert. Birdie Bert. Oh, Champ, you can't get up there, too.
Yeah.
Roscoe, what you doing?
Boys. Cody pitch. Come on, Brody. There's no ball there. No. What do you think you're doing? You look very handsome with your haircut. Yes, you do. Bernie. Brody, there's
Brody
nothing
went
there.
over. The grasshopper went over.
Well, that's kind of, disappointing, isn't it? Nothing in there anymore. Oh, you too? Really? Hi.
That's right out.
Yeah, I need to...
There's some in my car.
There's some in the kitchen that Terry had. She said to go ahead and use it. I'm free to
Whoop, careful. Don't fall over. Oh. Brody. It's not there. Champ. Champ. Why?
Champ, what are you doing? Come on. Come here.
What are you doing?
Want to get you?
What are you doing, Shango? It's like, how'd you get up there? What? You go get your sister. Go get your sister, Rudy. Go get her. Good, just dumping all the buckets. What? Have you been in the pool yet? Go get in the pool.